So I've been wondering if we could use UserGems Gemmy, our AI agent, for event nurture. As you know, how we reach out to prospects or customers before a conference or after, it's pretty static. Like we get a list of registrations or attendees in the CSV and then usually load them into a HubSpot nurture or an outreach sequence. Typically, we say something like, hey, first name, we're going to be at this conference. Here's our booth number, some information about our activation. Hope to see you there. Very static, not personalized at all. But what if we can use our AI agent to make outbound warm and increase our chance of meeting them at the conference, increasing the ROI of our events? So let me show you how we do it in UserGems. This is our signal library. We have this called custom signals. Essentially, you can create micro campaigns with this. So we're going to Human X, the AI conference in Vegas in a couple of weeks. And we got a CSV list of registration. We'll use this one. And we just upload it. We map to the email, first name, last name, full name, company, job title, and then click finish. We're telling Jemmy that these are the people going to this event. So treat this as a signal. So we have the signal. Then the second piece is the audience to make sure everything looks good. Here we go. So essentially, the audience is enriched so that we have a clean audience for the AI agent to work off of. So I put in signal is all of event human X registration. Company type, we want to focus on prospects. So target ICP, empties because some of these accounts don't exist in our CRM yet. Our personas, we call our persona ABM. I'll make sure we have email address, UserGems enriched these contacts with emails. If we know for sure that this is the right email addresses, then we'll push it through. If we're not sure, then we won't push that through just to protect the email deliverability. We want to make sure the bounce rate is less than 5%. It's looking really good. Jemmy also score the account based on different buying signals and the CRM data that we have, like basically any context we have with this account, these buyers, etc. In this case, for the events, we want to reach out to all of these people, so prioritization is less important. We can also see different signals at the contact level too. So this is the base for Jemmy to action. And the final step is we go into the workflow, telling Jemmy what to do with this nurture. Create workflow. So it's a custom signal, so create custom workflow. And the audience will find our event registration right there. Then we schedule, we want to send it daily because it's only 2 weeks away. Do you want to limit any contacts per account? No, we good here. The volume's not that big. This is the fun part. We activate Jemmy. These are all the defaults. In this case, we just want to send one email on behalf of our CEO. We create an email, right? Free event nurture. Hi. First name, Christian. All right, some text. Quick intro. We help company boost pipeline with our AI agent. Da da da. Now this is where the AI comes in. We put in the AI snippets for closer. We want Jemmy to close out the email using the warmest signal it can find about this person or this company. So make this pretty generic email warmer. So let's see what it shows. We can preview some message here. So in this case, Airtable is going to the event. The CRO is going to be there. Here are all the signals related to this company. We have some past champions there. They also previously evaluated UserGems. As you can see here, the static message. PS also saw Brian from your sales team use us back at his previous company in case you want to ask Brian for his thought before you meet up with us. We've seen that past champions or knowing someone else in your company had used the product in the past tend to carry more weight And that's why you're seeing that it tends to prioritize internal social proof. That's how we do it. Oh, wait, I got to add it to a sequence. So sequence on behalf of our CEO. So I need to create one for this event. Okay, I am in Outreach. I clone one of our previous sequences for the event. It's simple, actually. Just create a new email touch, subject custom 18. So this is for us. Custom 18 is Jamie. Could be 17, 22 for you. Go there. Custom 18. And this is going to be sent out on behalf of Christian. I need to activate this. And then we go back to the workflow. Event, human X by specific user. They want this to be sent out by Christian. Update Jamie. Enable action. And then we activate the workflow and save changes. And we're done. And that's it. That's how we use AI agent to make event nurture warmer.